Hello Unocoiners, in this video we will be showing you how to transfer your crypto assets into your Unocoin wallet with a few simple steps. So let's get started. Download the Unocoin app from the Play Store or App Store. Register yourself on Unocoin and get verified. Now click on the wallet page. Choose your favorite cryptocurrency. Let us assume Bitcoin in this scenario. Now click on the Bitcoin deposit. Copy your wallet address. Now open your crypto exchange wallet, which is non-FIU-compliant. Head to the wallet page and select Bitcoin. In the withdrawal page, click on Send via Crypto Network. Paste your Unocoin wallet address. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. And lastly, click on the Withdraw button. Kindly note that blockchain transactions may take a few minutes to complete. After the transaction is confirmed, you will receive a message verifying its completion. And that's it. Your cryptocurrency is now securely stored in your Unocoin wallet.